Hello there, beautiful people, and welcome back again to On How channel. For people that don't know, my name is Enes. I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment, and I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. Please be a witness for that because I made over 200 videos on Shopify customization, and they were mostly requested by you guys. I mean subscribers. Some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. I still make the video for them. So if you have any video requests or any questions, don't hesitate. Just drop me a comment. I will be happy to make a video for you. You don't have to subscribe. Or actually, maybe now you should consider subscribing, because if you don't, you lose. Because right now, I usually actually share on the channel small customizations, but right now, in this chapter, this is a completely different chapter on this channel, I will be sharing complete sections and widgets, highly customizable, so you can build your professional Shopify store without having to rely on those monthly paying subscriptions for Shopify apps and also those expensive themes. So you can reach that level of professionalism without paying the extra bucks. But in this video, I will show you how to make the icons on the header change color on the scroll. And this is a request again by a subscriber, I think. I hope so. Anyway, so as I said in this video, I will show you how to make the icons on the header change color when scrolling down. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, this is, by the way, Shopify down theme. So as always, I start with a completely new theme. In each video, I add small things. By the video 70 or 80, the theme will be completely different. But in this chapter, as I said, I will reach the same level by the 30 video or 40, the maximum. Because, for example, as you can see, this review carousel in here, this is all-in-one reviews carousel that will show reviews from Google, Facebook, Amazon, Etsy, all in one place. And you can add your own reviews in here. It's not like imported somewhere else. And this is filterable. For example, if you click on Google, it will only show me the reviews from Google and so on for Facebook and Amazon and Etsy as well. It also has this hover effect and everything is customizable here. Even the small icon color, the green one, you can change the color for it. So just check out the channel and you will see the video in detail so you can see if it actually suits your purpose or no. But what's really interesting, you know those pop-up once you want to close the page and suddenly they show up? You want to know how you can add that on your Shopify store without using apps? That's exactly what I posted a couple of weeks ago. So this is the mouse cursor, right? I'm going to pretend to close the page now. So let me scroll up. Oops, where are you going? Come back here, it's a flash sale. There's a countdown timer with the, as you can see, hover effect and animation. And there is a button here. And this is highly customizable again. And it's exit intent. So once the user wants to close the page, then it will show up. Check out the channel again for the millionth time. I apologize. Now I'm going to show you this one right here. Let me close this one. This one as well is the notifications system on your Shopify store. This is completely free as well. Let me close this so you can see. So this icons right here, we will change color. Once I scroll down, they will change color. Like this, they will change color. So we will keep this page open, do the trick, and come back and see it in action. So get back to Shopify dashboard. After that, if you are already in Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store, Themes, then click on the three dots on left of Customize and click on Edit Code. And after that, we need to find a specific file. Instead of looking at the folders here, you might get dizzy. Simply use the search bar at the top left corner and type in base, and it's going to be either base.css or theme.css or style.css or custom.css. So it's going to be one of these four, but mostly they use base. So here is base.css. Try base first, I'm sure you'll find it. Then scroll all the way down. Let me track this. This is a huge file. Here we go. So now we need to create some space to paste in our code. In order to do that, simply click in front of the last name. In my case, it's closing bracket. Then hit enter on your keyboard. And where you're going to get that code, you need to hire a developer, pay him. I'm just joking. Scroll down the description box and you will see a link named as code. Click on it and it will take you to my website. This one right here. And you should see the code down below in here. Simply click on this icon at the top right corner. Click on it. We'll copy the code. Get back in here and paste it in here. And as you can see, there is some comments here. This is the default color before scrolling. This one, the hex code color. And this one is the color that will be changed to once I scroll down. Let me show you that in action. So let me click on save button. Wait for a couple of seconds. It's saved. We will get back in here, reload the page and see that in action. Here it is. As you can see, blue, which is this new color. This new color right here. This is blue. If you want a black, just like the normal, change this to black. Simple. And if I scroll down, go away. You go away first. Then you go away. Then if I scroll down, here it is. It turns red. And it has that smooth transition. As you can see, it's not like suddenly they change color. As you can see, it looks way better. And that's how you make the header icons change color on scroll on your Shopify store by using your own custom CSS code. So if you have any questions, again, make sure to drop on below. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.